Hey guys, Kate and Alex here, back with some more candy trying, and we have a box that is a first.
Yeah, it's getting harder and harder to get a first.
Yeah.
There are a lot of countries out there.
Yeah.
But I don't know how many of them we have people watching from.
Yeah.
But Austria is a country that is quite well known, but we haven't had a box from.
No, and this looks really exciting. Meow. And they look
Pretzels.
cute.
Yeah. It's like a YouTube cat video thing.
So, as always, shall we start with the letter?
Oh, I thought you were going to say start with the savouries. Okay, I'll have to.
Oh, how cute's that?
That's really nice.
I'm wondering if someone's drawn that and made cards. Hello, Kate. Hello, Alex. That's nice,
Oh,
isn't
come on,
it?
hello.
Hope you'll like the selection of Austrian/Viennese treats. Enjoy. Kind regards, Katharina. Hopefully I'm saying that name
I
right.
wonder if Viennese whirls are actually from
I
Vienna,
know, yeah.
or it's just like someone made them and it was like in the style of, and thought it was
Yeah.
cool.
As always, shall we start savoury?
Yeah, I can see these bad boys.
And I can see these bad boys. So, these look the same.
Oh, and these are like a multi-bag.
Yeah.
So they're going to have their own little individual bags in here.
I think that's really cool. You buy the
you have
box.
to take them to school.
So I personally
these ones?
think they're exactly the same, but these are the
straight.
Yeah, and these are the original pretzel design. Look at him, he's a cool dude.
He's a cool bro. He is a guy made up of some pretzels, isn't he?
Yep, we guessed right. Isn't that just like a perfect pretzel?
Oh, that's perfect to have on the
Ooh.
shelf. Yes, please. Although if you put them in your school bag, they're going to get broken in no
Definitely.
time, aren't they?
Wanna try one of these?
Yeah, I'll put them on the shop floor for a minute. Ooh, lovely.
Oh,
Perfect.
hold on, have they got sesame seeds on them? Sesame.
Maybe. Oh, he's even wearing yellow Converse. What a guy.
Not too salty, but it's got a nice salt to it. We're gonna open some of the straight ones,
I think so.
because then we'll see which ones we prefer.
Would be a shame not to, wouldn't it? Wonder how many you get in here. Oh, quite a few.
Oh wow, yeah. Not thinner, aren't they?
Yeah. And the sesame gives it a real kind of less salty.
It's almost airy.
Earthy.
Earthy.
Yeah, the sesame
yeah.
flavour. And much lighter.
What do you prefer?
I think I prefer the texture of these and the flavour of those.
Yeah. I reckon they do have the original ones in there, surely.
Yeah. Very good though, both of them.
Right, would you like to pick next?
Yes, I would like a cat, please.
I wonder why there is a cat on
I'd
here.
love to. Like a cat. Is it because it looks like a cat? Tree.
Katzenjunge. Right, so look at this side. Then we've got
Oh, the portrait version.
portrait.
So important.
Are these actually cat treats?
No.
Could you imagine? We can't read Austrian, so we just eat them and they're...
Ooh.
This is a posh...
This is, yeah, very well displayed. Do you want to pop that open?
excessive plastic here.
Yeah.
Is this just going to be like plain chocolate, do you think?
I think so. Wait, let me have the camera ready for the big reveal.
3, 2, 1. Whoa.
They should have had dogs on because they look more like dog bones.
They look like dog bones, yeah.
They're very thin, aren't they?
How funny. Like, I wonder why there is a cat on there. It says there, pet.
Maybe you can have one and your pet can have one. Maybe this is the only chocolate in the world pets aren't allergic
Cheers.
to. Cheers. Oh, it's so thin.
I
It's a
like
bit
how
like-
thin it is.
It's a bit like that chocolate you get in an advent calendar and you pop out.
That's nice.
That really
I like that.
Mm.
And do you know what? I kind of fancy putting that in the fridge. Because chocolate
Having
when
it
it's
cold.
having a crunch is delicious. I really
Especially
like that
when it's
chocolate.
so thin like that.
That's just so interesting.
Oh, I
How
wonder what
there's
this
just-
will be like. Ready?
Oh, I bet that's amazing.
Right, I'm just going to do this.
I bet
Go
that's
first.
really good.
Ready?
Yep. Look good.
That's good. You
Should I
try.
have a quick Google?
You try. You left a bit.
Yeah, I didn't want to. I thought we were sharing.
No point having. I had half.
Shall I Google that?
Yeah. Oh. Was it a cat's tongue?
A cat tongue is a small biscuit or chocolate bar available in a number of European, Asian, and a unique candy for cat lovers.
Yeah, so for anyone who's not sure,
It's the
Austria.
shape of a cat's tongue.
How funny is that? Oh yeah, that's nice.
You know, you can buy that brush
Yeah.
where you put on your tongue.
Yeah.
Get
this
a
is like
cat.
the opposite.
Maybe we should get Bob and P in and do that.
Yeah. So anyone who's not sure, Austria is in Europe. It's like below and to the southeast of Germany, Czech, and to the on the border of Slovakia as well, and Switzerland. It borders so many different countries. Also borders Slovenia, Italy, Hungary. Wow, sweet.
So on this thing, it's like, this was long before I ever had a cat in my life. As some of you know, I didn't get my cat until in my 20s, and now I can't help but wonder whether these beautifully packaged chocolates contributed to the beginning of my love affair with cats. I think I'm thinking into it too much.
Yeah.
And she said it's beautiful German chocolate, she says.
Oh. And Germany does have good chocolate, doesn't it? So
That's really good.
doesn't say on it German, does it?
No.
It doesn't actually say anywhere where it's from. Although I guess, I don't know what Austrian's like. I would imagine it's a little bit like German, but this does say Das Original seit 1892.
Haschand.
Haschund. Milchschokolade.
Not seeing that
Milchschokolade.
way. Or maybe there. It's crazy though, because this has only got 75 grams in. I bet you this is way more expensive than
Yeah.
a 75 gram bar. Right, what are we going for next?
I reckon that pinky thing.
Okay, I love the colour of this. Salmon. It's a salmon.
It's very salmon.
Wine.
Oh no, that's what Ross would say. It's salmon, not
Salmon.
pink. It's salmon, not pink.
Manna sticks. Hazelnut.
And they look almond flavoured. Am I
Look,
right?
hazelnut.
Yes, you're right.
Where on earth did you get the almond from?
I'm not sure if I'm honest. I just saw nuts.
These nuts.
These nuts? We haven't said that for ages.
No.
Oh, long strips.
Very long.
Long.
Break it in half.
Can you break it in half with your tooth? Good wafer. Good hazelnut flavour.
No, I like that. Some hazelnut can be a bit funny, can't it?
Yeah.
It's quite a sweet hazelnut.
Very sweet
It's not
hazelnut.
earthy.
Not earthy at all.
Um,
Not very down
sometimes
to
you
earth.
feel like you can still taste the shell of a nut.
Yeah.
That's actually really nice. I like that.
I like that.
Okay, what are you
Yeah.
giving that?
I'm going to give that a... well, these are a 10 because we didn't...
Yeah, those are a 10.
This is probably like a 7 or an 8.
Yeah, I'll probably give that
That'd be
an
really
8
good with
out
a
of
cup
all
of
the
tea.
hazelnuts, yeah. Right, what next, Al?
I reckon we do that bag of sweets and then the traditional
Yeah.
stuff at the end.
So, we've got Weiner Zuckerl.
Zuckerl.
Oh, look, they look like they've got a filling, Al.
Oh, that's cool. I like those ones.
We've
What
got like
kind of
6
flavours we
different
got?
flavours
Tropical.
in here.
Looks like we've got pineapple.
Oh, I love these packets.
Didn't we have some like that before where they were like slightly open at the end?
Yeah, so we've got pineapple, raspberry, blackberry, orange, lemon. I feel like we probably should be having another one because it says, oh, here, that like peach or nectarine.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, these flavours that look delicious. Oh, they're hard.
How are they?
So let's just suck on one each, maybe.
I'll go
I think
raspberry
I've had one of these like in a hotel.
The only thing with the hard ones is when like the paper gets stuck to them. It's a bit weird, isn't it?
That's such a nice flavour.
This is a really nice raspberry flavour.
Look, it
actually.
even has it in a bit of it. Wow.
It's like raspberry but with a bit of tang, I think.
Mine got a bit of tang. Not on the first bit though, when you get into it.
Nicely, boys. Oh, you're going straight for the chew. Great flavour.
Well, it's like a pocket of, not too hard.
Oh, it's like chewy in the middle.
That is delicious. Probably one of the best peach sweets I've ever had.
Really? Peach is a good flavour in sweets, isn't it?
Be able to take them on the plane with us.
To Mallorca.
So I'm going 10 out of 10 for those sweets.
I'm going to go 9.
No.
I'm not so big into hard sweets. Although they did.
No,
you
but
could bite
I'm
into
meaning
them, but-
like out of all the hard sweets out there, I think it's a really nice natural flavour. It's got something in the middle.
Yeah. They are good.
They're really good. Okay, 2 things left,
Yeah.
sadly, and they look like 2 very traditional things. Look at these.
Traditional
Fancy.
or touristy.
Yes, I was going to say, if you visit, you would probably
Yeah.
try find some of these and buy them back.
Oh, is this Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart? That's interesting.
It is.
He's one of my favourite composers.
From Slovenia.
Salzburg,
From
Austria.
Salzburg in Austria.
You don't know anything about him, do you? I know so much about Mozart.
Go on then, give us something else.
That's it. That's all of it.
Okay, so what have you got there?
Hey Google, what's Mozart's most popular piece?
She doesn't even know.
Hey Google, what's thought of as Mozart's best work?
Anyway. So in here, I have exquisite marzipan cream with apricot flavour with almond nougat cream in finest whole milk chocolate. Their branding team really know how to sell
Yeah.
that, don't they?
And in here I've got.
It sounded like you were singing it first. Dun, dun, da, da, da.
Bien, bien.
Look at these. How fancy are they, Al?
Oh, this is.
Look.
Oh yeah, they're cool. This is Schokolade Praline Gefühl mit Marzipan. There's marzipan as well.
Often in like a lot of European countries like this, I feel like marzipan is
Yeah,
put into
it's a big
their...
player.
This looks really fancy. Which one should we go
See,
for
Sissy.
first?
So who was Sissy then? Was she someone? Or is she just the brand? Marzipan and fruit.
Apricot.
Oh,
Really nice.
it was actually really nice.
Sometimes when you read marzipan, you think, oh, because it's quite an acquired taste, I
But
think.
they've like flavoured the marzipan, which actually makes it really nice.
Yeah. It's a marzipan cream, didn't it say?
That's actually delicious.
Almond nougat cream. So marzipan cream, apricot flavour. Oh, with apricot flavour, yeah, you're right.
That's delicious. I feel like we've had one of these from somewhere else
Yeah.
though. Can't have been Austria.
Whoa.
But what were they doing giving us Mozart? He's from Austria. What do
You
you
can
think to
smell
that?
it.
I can smell it. What's so funny about marzipan is it almost smells like cherry.
Yeah, because isn't it,
Oh, it's almonds.
oh yeah. Oh, do you know why you probably associate it with that? Bakewell tart.
Bakewell tarts.
Because
It's
it
not
probably has
actually cherry.
not got any cherry. It's because that's really nice. What's in the middle, did it say?
Is that like chocolate? Yeah, I think that's chocolate in the middle with marzipan around the edge.
Praline, you said.
Oh, it's the praline chocolate.
We're reading these
We
labels
don't
and not
even know
even
what's
taking...
going on. And then chocolate on the outside. I never used to like marzipan, but I think it's grown on me.
I think it's
doing
grown
all
on
these
me.
Videos.
A lot of the flavours have grown on me because you've had it so many times. I used to watch this programme called Super Nanny. Not that I had any kids or whatever, but I watched it. And on there she was saying it takes children, and probably everyone,
Yeah.
like 14 times
So many,
to
isn't it?
know if they don't like something. So you should always persist.
Which is funny because supposedly you know if you don't like someone in the first 20 seconds, isn't it?
Really?
Isn't that what they say? You formulate an opinion on someone in the first 20
Well,
seconds of meeting them.
you tend to, but I suppose your opinion can change over time. But within the first...
Yeah, but if on the first meeting you don't like someone, you're not going to go and meet them 14 more times,
Well, if you're
are
stuck
you?
with them at work, your opinion might change.
Maybe.
Because some people...
Or you just get more and more wound up by them every day. You have to sit next to them. Look what I've done. Oh, lovely.
Aww.
Anyway.
Oh, well, that was nice.
That was delicious. A nice, delicious little surprise.
Yeah, I really was surprised by those two things because we've tried things like that in the past
Yeah.
and they've been very marzipan
Yeah.
heavy. I thought I might not like them as much.
Yeah.
But
Good old
delicious,
Amadeus
really
Mozart.
delicious. And I'm blown away by these. I thought they were fab.
I thought these, no offense because you sent them to us, but I thought because they've got Mozart on, they would be very touristy and
Yeah.
the flavour wouldn't be that good.
yeah.
I'm really surprised and really happy that they are really good chocolates, aren't they, as well?
And these. That was absolutely delicious. Well, oh dear. Should have known. Buy now. What is it?
It's a football.
My word! What on earth?
It's the stickers.
It's the sticker!
It's the candy box stickers. Order a box below.
I thought that was an excellent box.
Yeah.
I really loved the selection of things. Thank you so much, Catalina. We've sent Catalina a box of British candy back. We hope you have enjoyed that. If anyone else would like to check out our boxes, we have quite a few now online, don't we? So we'll leave a link down below. Don't forget to check them out.
Also, Christmas is coming up soon.
Christmas
so
is coming.
Get your orders in. We'll have some special Christmas boxes.
Yeah. Did you enjoy that?
I really enjoyed it. Did you?
I really enjoyed that. And we hope you guys enjoyed watching that too. And we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.